Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and healthy lettuce chips. This simple guide will help you transform fresh greens into a satisfyingly crunchy snack. First, select fresh, crisp lettuce leaves, like romaine or butter lettuce. Then, thoroughly wash and dry them. Removing all excess moisture is crucial for achieving that perfect crispiness, so pat them very dry with a clean towel or use a salad spinner. Once your lettuce is perfectly dry, it's time to add some flavor. Lightly coat the leaves with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, ensuring an even distribution. Then, sprinkle your favorite seasonings generously over both sides. Common choices include a pinch of sea salt, a dash of black pepper, or a sprinkle of garlic powder or paprika. Get creative with your spice blends to find your ideal taste. Now for the cooking. Arrange your seasoned lettuce in a single layer on a baking sheet, making sure not to overcrowd them. Bake in a preheated oven at a low temperature, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. They should be perfectly crisp but not burnt. Alternatively, you can use a dehydrator for a slower, gentler drying method. Once baked, let your lettuce chips cool completely on the baking sheet. This crucial step allows them to firm up and achieve their maximum crispiness. Serve them immediately as a delightful, guilt-free snack. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their crunch. Enjoy your homemade, healthy, and incredibly satisfying lettuce chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.